Hello YouTube. Yeah, I know I haven't made a video in like freaking forever. Yeah, he's just lazy and good for nothing. I am not. Yes, you are. Your face. That doesn't even make any sense. Anyway, before I was so rudely interrupted. Whatever. So, yeah. Been like crazy busy lately. Oh crap, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Of course, now that I started the video, I can't find it. Yeah, this happens a lot. Like whenever, like I walk in my room or something, I put something down where I think main word think, I'm going to remember where it is. And yeah, it's not there. Well, it probably is, but yeah, then I forget where I put it up because, well, that's just me. Crap, where is it? Okay, this isn't good. Just like missed my total awesome prop I was going to use for this video. But like, you set your cell phone down and you put it in a place where you know you're going to find it. Then you walk in your room, you're like, Mom, where is it? Yeah. Oh, and you'll notice, well, probably not, but I'm like sleeping on a cot right now. Yeah, it's great. Sure. But yeah, we're gonna move into a fifth wheel shower trailer here soon. So, crap. My webcam hits me. Anyway, but yeah, brand new webcam. I'm just trying to learn this thing still. You know how it works. New webcam's new. Oh my god. Oops. Okay. Anyway, now I gotta like look all the way down here. Woo. Oh. Anyway, so yeah. What have I been up to lately? School. I decided to stop doing that K-12 thing. It just wasn't working for me. So now I'm going back to my school again. It's not bad. Still not in band anymore, but I still play my tuba. And I play my new little Precious. I'm freaking in love with this thing, I swear. It's amazing. Yes, that's right. I just played Harry Potter. Because I am named like that. And I'm still like looking at my computer. I'm used to like my webcam being on my computer, not off to the side. It's weird. Why am I going like this? I'm a zombie. Okay. Anyway, sorry. Yeah. I've been playing Need for Speed Most Wanted on my school computer. But hey, it's a game, it's not that bad. I love that game. It's fun. I actually used to have, well, actually, I think I still do have it on my Xbox. I just don't play it very often anymore. My dad beat it. I've sat there and played it for like months, and then my dad was like, oh, I want to try, and he beat it. And I'm like, great. A game I've been playing for like months before you, and you beat it in like a month. Freaking jerk. No, but, yeah. It's been kind of a hard October. My dad left for Afghanistan, so yeah, he's going to be gone for a full year. But, that's kind of what comes with being a military brat. And I'm sure if any of you other people are Air Force, Marine, Army, Navy, Coast Guard. Well, I don't think Coast Guard really does very many deployments, but still, you guys know what I mean. National Guard, Reserve, they all deploy. And, I mean, if you're one of their kids, it's just really hard when they leave, because being, growing up, my dad was a truck driver for 17 years over the road, so he was gone quite a lot. So, just seeing him leave like that for a full year was just really hard, because I was just finally getting used to him being home a lot. You know, since he joined the Army, it's like he gets home, you know, every day around 5 o'clock. You know, and that was just nice to have that life, you know, where it's like I get to see my own father every day. Not, you know, a few days every other week, you know, when he was over the road, you know. And, well, now I don't get to see him for a full year, so it sucks, but I still get to talk to him. That's kind of cool. So, yeah, he's going to send me videos from over there, and I'm going to be posting them on my account. Hope you guys enjoy those. Maybe one day we'll send it into that War Diary show or whatever on Military Channel. That'd be pretty cool. Like just like finally when I'm done, when I get them all or whatever, put them all together in one big freaking video and boom, you know. Be freaking awesome. So yeah. Oh, I got a new knife to my knife collection. Hand grenade. See? And then boom. Isn't that freaking awesome? It's like a freaking like thick blade. It's like, dude. Let's see. Have I ever showed you guys this knife? Oh no, this is like show and tell time. Oh no. That sounded really gay. Sorry. I have a girlfriend, I swear. Her name's Nancy. She's beautiful and amazing. Anyway, but yeah. There's this one. It's an ow. It's an eagle. Crap. It's like stabbed myself in the finger. Anyway, sorry. Sorry you had to witness that. It's an eagle. It goes in... Hold on. Oops, put it in backwards. Haha. Wow. See, this is the pleasure of watching my videos. You can listen to my craziness. It goes in a case like that. And see, like, the cover has a big freaking eagle on it. Sexy. Okay, I wouldn't quite say sexy, but you know what I mean. And then I could pull out, pull out my bullet and stab you. Isn't that amazing? It's a bullet and a pocket knife. Wow, I'm really easily entertained, aren't I? No, but I love my knife collection. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to build a lot more. I still got those glass dragons that I showed you in that one video. Hopefully they survive through the move. If they don't, I just might cry. I'll do it right here. No, no, I won't. I will never cry and look him. Okay. You might catch me do it one day. I don't know. It depends. Maybe I should... Never mind. I'm not even going to go there. Because, yeah, they watch the videos. Anyway, sorry. I'm going to edit that out. Anyway. Probably not, because I'm lazy. But, oh, hey, text message. Yes, I do have an idea, Nancy. Anyway, sorry. Yeah. I'm, like, all, like, hyper right now. Because I had a bowl of Frosted Flakes this morning. So I'm like, woo! Yeah. Let's see. What else to talk about? I got freaking cowboy boots. Yeah, buddy. Look at that design. Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Wow. Have I scared you guys away yet? Well, anyway, I'm going to let you go because I'm running out of time. And I still got to put that other video part together. So, yeah. Have a good day. Thank you for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. And I hope you keep staying subscribed and everything. And I'll try to make videos more often. Now it's in the school year. You know me. When it comes to the school year, I make more videos. So, yeah. Let's do this thing. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.